Hi, this is Peter with Marshall Lock & Key, and today we just wanted to share with you the part 2 of our van build for this 1999 Ford Econoline and all the finishing touches that we put into it. If you have any questions about any of the things that we've done to customize this, please feel free to leave any comments down below. If anyone is interested in seeing a more detailed tour of how we have this set up, we will be putting out a future video to show all of the details and customizations that we've put together for how this van works for us. We're very happy with how this turned out so far, and we've been putting this thing to work.